Let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself, "Tomorrow I'll fix my routine"? You set the alarm. You imagine waking up early, studying hard, eating healthy, being productive. But tomorrow comes. You hit snooze. You scroll your phone. And suddenly, the day is gone. If this sounds familiar, you're not lazy. You're just unstructured. Students don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they don't control their time. A routine is not restriction. A routine is freedom. Let's break it down. You don't need a 4 a.m. wake up. Waking up between 5:30 and 7 o'clock is enough. The mistake? Checking your phone first thing. That floods your brain with noise. Instead, drink water. Stretch your body. Open a window. Let natural light hit your eyes. Start calm, because how you start your day controls how you live it. Add 5 minutes of light movement. Stretch. Walk. Push-ups. Anything. When your body wakes up, your brain follows. Eat a simple breakfast. No fuel means no focus. Then comes the most powerful hour of your day. Your brain is sharpest in the morning. Study your hardest subject first. Math, coding, memorization, problem solving. 1 focused hour in the morning is worth 3 tired hours at night. No multitasking. No phone. Just focus. Afternoons are for classes and practice. Don't be a passive learner. Take notes in your own words. Ask questions. Eat light at lunch. Heavy food kills energy. Take a short walk or power nap. Reset your brain. Use afternoons for practice work. Solving problems, revising, writing, applying. After a long day, move your body. Exercise. Sports. Walking. Dancing. Even 20 minutes changes everything. Then do something creative. Music. Writing. Drawing. A personal project. Creativity prevents burnout. End the day with light revision. Not heavy studying. Before bed, plan tomorrow. Write 3 to 5 clear tasks. Turn off screens 30 minutes before sleep. Read. Journal. Listen to calm music. Protect your sleep. Sleep is where learning becomes memory. Consistency beats intensity. Discipline beats motivation. Follow this routine for 30 days, and your life will change. Discipline today is freedom tomorrow.